How to fix your Windows 11 computer is stuck on airplane mode. So if the airplane mode is turned on or it's grayed out and you're just stuck on this feature, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So the first thing you want to do is go and open up the start menu on your computer, search for the word services and go and click on this window. You'll then need to scroll down this page and locate a service called Radio Management Service. Now you just need to right click on this and press stop, and check to see if you can stop this service. Now if it's not working, right click on it again and press Properties, change the startup type to Manual, and then press Apply and OK. We're then going to open up the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now go and type in the following ipconfig /release and then press enter. Now type in ipconfig /renew and press enter. And then go and close out of this window. You can then open up your start menu and click on the settings. From the left hand side, select network and internet, and then scroll down to airplane mode and make sure this is turned off and disabled. If it's still not working or this option is grayed out, it's likely that you have a physical switch on your laptop and you'll need to go and flick the switch to turn off the airplane mode.